Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We've got Bad Bee here, all wide open and opened up. And what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be installing a product from Grand Design Mat out of North Carolina. So what they do is they create trunk lid covers. So when you open your trunk, there's a cover, it's usually like a trunk cloth that goes over your trunk lid on the inside. They create covers, custom covers that cover that up and give you a cool appearance out of your trunk. So this is Bad Bee here, so we decided to go ahead and get Bad Bee in words across this custom trunk lid. So we're going to get this unboxed for you, show you what we're going to do, and then we're going to go ahead and install it for you. So let me grab the package and then we'll get this opened up and I'll give you an idea of what we're going to do. Alright, so here's the box from Grand Design Mat. We just got it, I believe, last night. So we already opened it up on the top here. I wasn't sure if I was going to do an unboxing video with this or not, because it's a pretty standard box. But what I will tell you is we used a DeWalt razor. I don't usually plug DeWalt in all my videos, but they make a really good quality razor that, you know, if you put it in here, it'll slice right through that. So highly recommend using DeWalt on all your unboxing needs. But we're going to go ahead and slide this out of here and show you guys what it looks like. Don't mind the chainsaw in the back. Actually, I have no idea who that is, but here's some hardware they give you, so you can go ahead and screw it into your trunk. And now for the main attraction, the reason we ordered this. So as you can see, we went with a nice wood grain finish. We really were trying to capture the essence of what cars are. Like old boats, or Challengers in particular, like old boats. That is a joke. It is actually on this side of the mat. So you can see here they cover it up with some sort of protective tape over the, I believe it's made out of metal. It's metal and painted, so we'll go ahead and start removing the tape and you can see what we got done here. Let's go ahead and start with the logo. So we did go ahead and get the Scat Pack logo put on there. That is a Dodge logo. But they were able to work it into our trunk lid. So you can see this is a Scat Pack. So now we're also going to go ahead and remove the tape off the lettering here. And this is my favorite part of the whole thing. We did go with the red and yellow colors. The same colors the car is going with and the colors of the Scat Pack logo. So you can see the red and yellow match what's in the B. And this actually turned out really nice. Look at that. That is awesome. So that's going to go ahead and go right in the trunk, just like this. And I think it'll make a really cool addition to the back of this vehicle. So let's go ahead and move around to the trunk of the car, and we'll start getting this installed. Alright, so next we're going to go ahead and remove these push pins here on the back of the trunk lid. And there appears to be 6 of them. So we're going to go ahead and remove those, and then we'll get the new ones out that the Grand Design Mat provides you when you order. They give you new push pins that actually match the material here, and we're going to go ahead and get this installed. So let's go ahead and start removing these. Alright, so you got all the push pins removed. So now we're going to grab the provided push pins here. You can see they've got that stuff on them. And they just push right in like that. Actually, I just noticed because of the design, looks like we leave this one in. So we got it fully installed. As you can see, it looks very good. Got the yellow flames on the red lettering background. Turned out really awesome. Got the mirrored chrome Scat Pack V. And the bug, of course, to go with it on here. Come on, buddy. He'll find his way off somehow. But yeah, it turned out awesome. So there's another way you can go about doing this. You can cut out the previous trunk lid that's there. You can cut around all this so that sits right in there. I didn't want to go about cutting all this. I wanted to keep it if I ever wanted to remove this, or if, for example, I sold it to someone and they wanted to remove it. So yeah, we just went ahead and kept the trunk lid the same and just put the push pins in around the edges, and it's a pretty simple install, really.